Hey, real talk for a second. If you are trying to fix your credit right now, I know how stressful it is. You just want a clean slate. But we need to talk about the absolute minefield of credit repair scams out there. Let's break down the massive red flags so you don't lose your hard-earned money. First rule of thumb: do not believe anyone who promises you a quick fix. Legitimate credit building takes time. There is no magic button. Second rule, and this is a huge one: do not trust companies that say they can help you, but only if you pay them first. Did you know it is actually illegal for credit repair companies to ask you for upfront payment? If they demand cash before doing any work, walk away immediately. Also, please don't believe anyone who promises to remove accurate information from your credit report. They can't do that. It is completely illegal, especially if they try to convince you to dispute a debt you know is actually yours and that you've been paying back over time. And if a company ever tells you to file a false identity theft report about a debt you owe, stop right there. Seriously, filing a false identity theft report is a literal crime, and you are the one who will get in trouble for it, not them. Here's the honest truth from me to you. If a credit repair company can do something legally, you can do it yourself for completely free. You don't need them. Stay safe out there. Keep your money in your pocket, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.